welcome to the touristbee.com video series. And in this video, we will talk about how to plan your Las Vegas trip for the first time. We will talk in general. This is a short video with the main things that you want to make sure to see. And I will show you one way of touring most of the iconic sites from the Las Vegas Strip. So let me start with let's say an overview of Las Vegas and where it is and kind of getting started. As you can see, this is Las Vegas. If we zoom out even more, you see Los Angeles right here. You see San Francisco up here, Sacramento. So Las Vegas is in this corner of Nevada, South Nevada, about 5 hours from Los Angeles Drive. And as you can see, it's uh, in a desert, but it does have these mountains, Red Rock Canyon to the west, and it has Hoover Dam to the east. And most people who come to Las Vegas for the first time, they are interested in visiting the Las Vegas Strip. And what is the Las Vegas Strip? Simply, it's a strip of Las Vegas Boulevard. So Las Vegas Boulevard is the main boulevard in Las Vegas, and this is the one that has made Las Vegas famous. As you can see, we have the airport right here on the south of the Strip, and the Strip or the Las Vegas Strip pretty much starts south at Russell Road, even though it started expanding recently in recent years to the south as well, right next to the airport, and then it goes north with Mandalay Bay Resort, Luxor, um, and Excalibur, and it hits Tropicana. This is another large street. There's MGM. Um, and the strip goes pretty much from Tropicana, but as I said, it's lower as well, all the way after it curves to Sahara um, Avenue. But again, it's been expanding north also. But this is the strip that would have most of the things you would want to see and experience while in Las Vegas. So let's get started with the way I like to start a tour of Las Vegas Strip, especially if you come for the first time. And in the description of this video, there is a link to an article that I have written with a lot more details with a map that I'll show you in a little bit. Essentially, the way we're going to walk is using this map that again is in my article in the description below. We will start from MGM and walk like this, and then walk back south, back to where we start from. So let's get going. I like to start the MGM resort, and I usually park in the MGM parking lot. As you can see off of Tropicana Avenue, there is entrances where you could park your car. And then you can walk either on the street, on the sidewalk, or you can go through the resort and come out on Las Vegas Boulevard on the Strip. You can start here on the corner, MGM with the lion, the famous lion, and then this is where I consider the start of the Las Vegas Strip walk or tour is on the People Bridge from MGM to New York, New York resort. So you cross this bridge. There's beautiful pictures that you can take, especially at night. Lots of lights. Um, and you come to New York, New York. You can go inside depending how much time you want to spend. But essentially, it's beautiful to walk through here. In front, there is a replica of the Brooklyn Bridge, and you move up to this is the MGM Park Hotel. Beautiful way to walk, and then you can cross over another People Bridge here, and you get to the Crystal's shopping area. Um, Very nice to walk through. Very expensive, but beautiful to walk through. And then you come out. There is another People Bridge, and it takes you to Cosmopolitan. So another newer resort with beautiful areas and beautiful restaurants. And you come out again this way. We keep going north. And when you come towards Bellagio, so this is Bellagio right here, the fountains, the famous fountains. But right before it, when you come from Cosmopolitan, there is a walkway with an escalator that takes you into Bellagio, and it's very beautiful to walk through here. You get beautiful views of the Paris resort to the right and of the fountains in front. So go up into the Bellagio resort, enjoy the hallway and the beautiful areas, and then you can come out through the shopping area. Make sure you take time to see the beautiful fountains of the Bellagio show. Um, and you cross again up into, we keep going north and we come to Caesar's Palace. Another beautiful area to walk through here. And you can decide to go through the resort and come through the shopping area, very large area, shopping at the Forum. This is another area, another way Caesar's Palace is known for is shopping at the Forum. The Trevi Fountain, a replica of it is here, but beautiful area for shopping and restaurants. Um, and we come out north again. We go through the front of the Mirage with a little volcano show, just walking in front of it. And when we get to Treasure Islands, we cross over to Venetian. So now we cross and then we start going south. So enjoy the Venetian with its gondola and shopping area and everything that you need to see in here, all Italian architecture. Rialto Bridge, a replica of the Rialto Bridge from Venice. Um, it's got restaurants and museums and many attractions. Then you come south. These are some of the older resorts on the Las Vegas Strip, Harrah's, and you have the link. And right here, there is the high roller, and there is a beautiful road through here, pedestrian, only pedestrian, with a zip line and lots of restaurants here, and all leading to the famous high roller in Las Vegas, which is like the London Eye. A little bit where you have capsules that take you very high up and then they rotate and they give you a beautiful view of Las Vegas. Then you can go through Flamingo Resort and see the flamingos, and then keep walking south. Keep working your way south. You get to the Miracle Mile. First, before the Miracle Mile, you get to the famous Paris Las Vegas resort with the Arc of Triumph and the replicas and the Eiffel Tower replicas from Paris, beautiful inside. And you keep walking south, Planet Hollywood, and then the Miracle Mile, which is a very nice mall. Um, and we end up all the way back to MGM Grand again. So again on the Las Vegas Strip. A quick thing, there is, as I said, you can start by parking right here at MGM, but on this back road on Koval Lane, you can park at any of the resorts. You go up until you find, parking spots, parking. So everywhere where you want to start or end, or you could come back, get your car, move it up. This is the way to do it on Koval Lane. Um, but this is a quick introduction to the Las Vegas Strip and how to plan your first trip to Las Vegas with the major attractions included in this little tour.